Volvo has brought the northern lights to its most luxurious car, with a new S90 Ambience Concept that promises maximum sensory sensation for those who have a driver who concentrates on the road. Scheduled to debut at the Beijing Auto Show in China, the concept car shows what Volvo describes as a luxury beyond materials and design. Instead, the goal is to get involved with the passenger senses on a more fundamental basis. The design explores how people feel inside the car and allows them to influence their own mood and well-being, says Robin Page. It is based on a car that is already one of the most unusual models of Volvo, the S90 L Excellence, that eliminates the front passenger seat, replacing it with a fixed ottoman for the lucky person sitting in the back. Outside of it a screen is folded, which can also be used as a workspace. In the S90 Ambience Concept, however, the goal is to calm productivity. 7 different themes, with titles like Aurora Boreal, Scandinavian Forest, Swan Lake, Archipelago, Rain, Night and Freedom, ranging from relaxation to strengthening, promises Volvo, as well as encouraging sleep. Each one has a combination of audio, light and aroma,